At Yayan Electric, technological innovation is the core of the Yayan's development. It mainly manufactures inverter, INV, LiFePO4 battery pack, LFP, energy storage system, ESS, solar charger controller, MPPT, ACC charger, CSB, automatic voltage regulator, AVR, power convert system, PCS, active harmonic filter, AHF, static VAR generator, SVG, power quality correct device, SPC, and other series products. Yayan Electric Technology Co., Limited is a high-tech enterprise dedicated to the research and development and intelligent manufacture of electronic and electrical technologies, providing core power equipment and system solutions for the Internet of Things for energy. Yayan Electric is more than just a manufacturer. We'll dedicate ourselves to serve all customers, societies, and partners to maximize the mutual benefits. We are ready to establish long-term business with your esteemed company. In conclusion, Yayan Electric Technology Co., Limited is a company that is driven by a passion for innovation and excellence. Yayan Electric Technology Co., Limited will serve the users with heart and truly benefit society with sincerity. Carefully cultivate the Yayan brand, create the Yayan culture, and make energy and ecology more harmonious.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform.